How to fix disabled App Store on iPhone. To fix a disabled App Store on iPhone, open up Settings app from your iPhone. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Select Content and Privacy Restriction button from the page. On the next page, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Go ahead and allow access, installing apps, deleting apps, and in-app purchases from the list. Tap on the option and select Allow, and make sure to do this in all of these three options. After you do that, you can go back and from the main home screen, open up your App Store. Soon after you do that, you might be able to fix disabled App Store on iPhone. If the problem still persists, simply go ahead and reset your iPhone. And doing this will help you to fix your disabled App Store error. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Goodbye till then.